doesn't take a video editing wizard to be able to use CapCut. In fact, the app is designed for editors of all levels and proudly endorsed by Later's own social team. Here are 5 CapCut editing tips that you need to know. Tip 1. Transitions. Transitions are key to making sure that your video flows smoothly from one clip to the next. Plus, they're a great way to keep your video visually interesting, and CapCut makes it super easy. To add a transition, simply tap the space between 2 clips on your timeline and select Transition. Our favorite free options are the left and right swipes under the Basics tab. Once you've picked your transition, make sure to adjust the duration. Shorter transitions create fast, snappy edits, while longer ones give a slower, more cinematic feel. We recommend sticking to simple transitions to not overcrowd your video. Tip number 2. Music and sound effects. No video is complete without sound, and CapCut makes it super easy to add background music or sound effects to your video. All you have to do is tap the Audio tab to access CapCut's built-in music library. Or you can import your own audio by screen recording your audio, importing the video file, and then extracting the audio track. Sound effects are also a great way to polish your transitions, highlight important moments, and hook your audience. Just like music, CapCut has a library of sound effects that you can use for free. Our favorites are whoosh for transitions, mouse click for adding text, and pop for overlays. But feel free to experiment as you go. Remember that you want music and sound effects to complement, not overpower your video. So be sure to adjust your volume. And you can also add fade-ins and fade-outs to make the transitions even smoother. Tip number 3, overlays. This feature lets you layer videos, images, or text over your main footage. To add an overlay, tap Overlay at the bottom, then choose your additional media. This is great for reaction videos, adding picture-in-picture effects, or showing multiple clips at once. You can adjust the size, crop the media, and even the transparency of the overlay, so it blends perfectly with your main video. Overlays are also useful for showing logos, adding small visual cues, or displaying extra information while the main video plays. Tip 4. Keyframes. Keyframes allow you to create smooth animations by setting points where an element moves or changes. Select your clip, then tap the keyframe icon at the start of where you want the animation to begin. Move the playhead forward, zoom in, or move the clip, and CapCut will automatically animate between these 2 points. You can use keyframes for zoom-ins, rotations, text animations, pretty much anything. This is great for adding that dynamic touch to vlogs or tutorials when you want to emphasize something without needing additional camera angles. We use keyframes for slow zooms, like this. Tip number 5. Text templates. This is one of our favorite CapCut features because you can add eye-catching text without importing files or ever leaving the app. Just tap the Text tab, then go to Text Templates, where you can scroll through a variety of pre-designed options. Pick a template, customize the text, and you're ready to go. Plus, most templates come with built-in animations to give you a sleek look. And there you have it, 5 CapCut editing tips that will take your social media content to the next level. Let us know if you want a part 2, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. We'll see you later.